uh, all the YouTube people. I got a surprise the other day and just got home and I'm ready to open it. To be honest with you, I'm excited. Um, it is a action camera, a DJI action camera, and I know that from all the YouTube videos that I've watched talking about it, I kind of enjoy the quality of the video that it takes. And I bought a cheap one, and it was really cheap. I tried to make videos, and it got deleted. Good thing though, because the video quality kind of really sucks on it. I mean, it's a good camera for a cheap camera, but I don't know how well that it compares to this. Probably night and day. Um, it I didn't like the fact that I didn't have all the controls that this one has. This is the DJI Pocket 2, and it comes with its own little gyro and microphone, and now the other camera did have a lav mic, but for some reason I couldn't get the sound from the lav mic just to use on the microphone. It went to the camera and the microphone, and I didn't really like that. I was in the truck taking video, and I had the camera sitting up on the dash, and you could hear the camera vibrating on the dash, so I really didn't like that. But this one comes with its, well, here. That's what this is. It's a DJI Pocket 2 action camera, and this is the creator combo set. It comes with the microphone and the wireless microphone. Oh wow! I got America's Meal Kit. That's kind of crazy. America's #1 meal kit, HelloFresh. I get 9 meals free. Maybe Diana would like that. I don't know. Let's get this bad boy open because I'm really excited to see what it looks like. And I'm ready to take some video with it, to be honest with you. I am so excited about this. Diane got her camera the other day and made me kind of jealous because I was out on the road and I wasn't even able to open mine yet. It just kind of sucked, you know. I was ready to get back home and see what this was all about. Well, gotcha. Well, here's what the box looks like. Sure got it packed in there pretty good. I think this is the camera itself. Oh wow. Look, it's all one little nifty little package here. I'm gonna have to read instructions to even open it up. But this is, I don't even know what this is. I know what this is. This is your cat fur. Oh, it's for the microphone. It's for the wind to keep the wind out of your microphone. Wow, you get all kinds of different little, oh, I don't even know what Diane calls these things something, and I can't remember. I can't never remember what they're called. Dongles. That's what they're called. Dongles. I think that's the funniest name for something. But that right there is for an iPhone for sure. Definitely an iPhone. But definitely got a lot of dongles here. That's such a funny name though. Whoever came up with that name is kind of weird, I think. And got like a little strap. And this would be the charging wire. Throwing my trash in the box. I need to get in the box. That is, I'm not sure exactly what that is. I think that is the transmitter for the microphone. This is the microphone right there. Wireless microphone. This, I do believe, goes on the bottom, and you can screw it into camera stand. I like that idea. I didn't know that I could be able to do that. And this is something. Oh, it'll hold it. It's like a little mini tripod for it. That's cool. I like that. And that's it. And I think all of it's packaged right here in this compact. Ah, okay. It's got like a little styrofoam piece that's got it all wedged up in there. Yep. Wow. And there it is. There it is. Now it's focused, the camera's focusing on me maybe. Yeah. I'll take a picture of it. That way you can get a better view of the camera itself. But that right there is the camera on the gimbal. That is badass. That is badass. That gimbal is something else. And this plugs into that. Maybe. Somehow. Maybe. I don't even know. I don't even know how it goes together. I need to read the instructions. Diane's always getting on my butt about not reading the instructions to do stuff. And I probably should read the instructions. Because that don't fit like that. But it's supposed to fit on there somehow. So, I will read instructions. But there's really not much to this. At all. I like that it comes in this case. That'll protect it. But yeah, it's really not much to it. So once I get it all put together, I will take a picture and add it to the video so y'all can see what it all looks like all put together. With the microphone all put together and all the attachments and everything. It wasn't cheap. It was, I'm wanting to say it was like right at 500, $499. The combo kit came with the microphone, the wireless microphone. If you didn't get the combo kit, you just got just this, which is the camera with the gimbal. And I think it was $399, if I'm not mistaken. If I get the prices wrong, I'll throw them in the description on the bottom of the video. Um, but yeah, I think the just the camera by itself is $399, and then the combo kit with the wireless microphone is $499. But like I said, I'll put it in the description below, and I will definitely be posting videos with this real soon, because I am so excited, so excited. Um, wow, this is crazy. This is unreal. I've never had any kind of camera like this. Like I said, I got that other action camera, and it was just basically a knockoff of a GoPro, pretty much is what it was. It cost like $50. So this is like night and day here, and I am so excited to have it. Um, but I will, like I said, I will put everything together and get a picture taken, and definitely send y'all some videos on it. So until then, always, if you like what I do, don't like what I do, hit the like, hit the unlike. I don't care. Either way, it just, whatever you decide to do, go for it. You can share it. You can subscribe. We're a new channel. You know, we're doing our best to get stuff like this so we can start bringing you good content. Um, we have a lot of plans for the channel. So stick with us, you know, subscribe, and we'll see where this goes. And hopefully we can make a good channel out, make y'all happy, and have fun. That's what we need to do, is just have fun. So until next time, y'all take care.